So now for starting, I just want you to give you the main important things which has been told to me to keep in mind while doing this project. Indian history in pastry. Okay. So now first there the first thing which is they have told something about Indian pastry, which is the pastry they are selling it in their shop is mostly of two types. One, when people see after seeing the visuals are curious, the visuals make the particular consumer curious. Okay, taste calmness. Okay, with one more thing is richness. Understood? So this is the thing. Now, their target audience. Okay, target audience is the most important key to know about a brand, because if the target audience is kids, the entire format will be different. Packaging, logo, you can tell the website or the app, whatever is it, the colors, everything, the letters, the text, everything will be different. Okay, if it's for Gen Z, it will be different. If it's for adult, it will be different. If it's for older people, it will be different. If it's for um, pregnant ladies, it will be different. It is, if it is for postpartum women, it is different. There are many postpartum cares also, so it is different for everybody. Okay, so the main important thing is target audience, and there can be two target audience also, which is the main important one, which is the primary, and then the secondary. So here the primary, the audience is millennials. Okay, now the next thing, which is what they want us to do. Brand logo. Okay, then brand packaging. They want the packaging design also, and the app. They want one app for them to work. And yeah, so these three are the main important thing they want from us. So what do you think the most and the first basic steps will be? That is this. It's the research. Okay, the main important thing in any kind of starting point you want to start from scratch. Okay, in scratch you have to research, even if it's not scratch also, you have to research in what kind of thing it is. Okay, so let's start doing next, and this comes to our next process, or you can tell the next step, which is research. Searching for the, like, something similar cake pastry brand, something like that. So I got one, that is Theobroma. I think everybody knows about it, but honestly when I was in my here, like, hometown, I didn't know about it. I know this will be little stupid or something, but yeah, I didn't know about it. When I went to Gujarat, Ahmedabad for my studies, I fell in love with the pastries. Though as a student, it's little expensive, तो मैं हमेशा obviously खा नहीं पाती हूँ केक, बट लाइक 4-5 महीने में एक बार तो चलती है. So I am using Whimsical for my doing my few of the notes and also for the flow chart, which I will be using later on this project. So I have made a small. I was just researching and I made a small case study, not case study, just a small thing for my project so that I can understand the user interface and the packaging handling, the branding elements, and the user guide they give, how they attract the consumers so that I understand their theory. So I just made a small note about it. So I have done research on Theobroma and few of the other stuffs like warm oven and custom cake studios. It is south to east basically. Opted for this because of the packaging, famous in like regional places. So these are the 8 I have searched about. And do you know, guys, I think that will take time because logo is logo from scratch. If there's already a logo of that particular brand or company, then it's easier to understand how they want, what they want. But when they don't have any logo and don't have any idea of the name logo or the symbolic logo, that comes when that is when the difficulty, not difficulty, but it's just make the process little more longer. Now we will be starting with the logo design. Creating a mood board. Now I will be specifically research on Pinterest or any other. Mostly I use Pinterest itself. So I will first see any kind of related stuffs like pastries, donuts, whatever is it, and in a specific color range my client have given to me, and which really shows the feeling of mysterious calmness, something like that. And also then after my target will be to do on different fonts, texts. Done. Okay, so the mood board is ready and I have confirmed it from the client, so it is final and we are get to go. Yay. Okay, so these are the few of the fonts. Brand depicts calmness, mysterious, so it cannot be playful. And I think these two are specifically the first one is very playful, and yeah, it is not the thing which I want. I need a very rich luxury type of thing because um, calmness and mysterious in the mood board my client has selected. So according to that, this goes great with it, with few of the changes as usual, because my client wanted it to be looking like an Indian touch, not exactly fully Indian thing, but yeah, it should have Indian touch. My client finally chose this one, and in this style, I have customized this and I have made one more changes in it, which also gives like the reason of giving. Let's move to the next part. Okay, guys. So finally, the mockups are ready, and I have already talked with my client, and this was the confirm mockups which I will be showing you now because honestly there was a lot of kitsch pitch in between making the mockups and all. So yeah, I couldn't shoot the entire process, but if you want to see how I made it, I can make another video for that. So this is the final one, and they wanted a little bit of Indian touch, wanted a particular paper bag kind of thing with their logo. So this was the one they chose. And yeah, and then the final one was this, which was the small one for the small cakes. So they wanted kind of this type of looks. Actually, before this, I made a lot of mock-ups in different ways and different things. So this was the final one they chose. And yeah, the mock-ups are ready. Great website where you can make your own pricing, privacy. So yes, guys, this is the one which came, which is really good. You can edit it from here, and I really liked it. So and also one more thing you can do, which is you can make it into a app also. I mean, that's a very good thing. So yes, guys, and I mean that's it for the video, and it has become very long video actually, and it took a lot of time. Like it took a lot of time. Specifically, honestly, that time was taken mostly in mockups because it was not sure exactly how they want, so I had to make a lot of mockups and lot of type of bags, lot of type of boxes, handle boxes, different boxes, like closed one, opaque one, every sort of thing. So that took a lot of time actually, a lot of time. So yeah, I mean that's the thing, and that's it for the video. So do tell me if you want to know about mockups, how I created and what I did, and also if you want to see how I make app. Mostly I don't use software. I use Framer, Figma mostly for making apps and websites and other stuffs. So you can just tell me if you want to know about that. Bye guys.